Getting ready to fly out for March break, we have some really stylish tips on how to travel oh so very light with Priya Mohan from sariKNOTsari on James Street North in Hamilton. In fact, this will be all you need to pack, clothing-wise.
Clothing-wise, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It will fit in your carry-on with room for shoes and souvenirs and everything else.
That's right. What we recommend, so we have some pro tips for travel.
Yeah.
First of all, take a checked bag. Do not take a checked bag.
Yes.
Take a carry-on so it can stay with you. The second one is underpinnings, like just the basic layers that you wear underneath.
Okay, so a
some
tank
accessories.
top and skirt and pants.
Absolutely.
And that's it.
And things that you can wear over and over again. And then you bring in our silk collection. And with just the pieces in this tiny bag, you can get 12 different looks.
Okay.
So we wanted to show those to you today.
Okay, let's start out.
Okay, so first we have Sandra and Shefali, and Sandra is going to be demonstrating how easy it is to just create an effortless look, because that's something you want when you're traveling.
Okay, so there's the basics she's got on there.
Yep, and you want something you can just throw over top and go enjoy your vacation. So she's wearing our poncho style. It can actually be worn in 3 different ways, and Shefali will play around with her and show you all those different ways, because you want pieces that are versatile as well.
Yeah.
For when you're traveling.
Something that will take you from poolside to lunch to dinner at night.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So there's a piece like that. Another thing you want, especially if you're going poolside to dinner, is you want something that's very easy to wash.
Okay.
So the nice thing about these silks is you can wash them in a hotel bathroom, and you can just hang dry them, and they're wrinkle free. So Easy Care Fabrics is another pro tip.
Okay, and here we've got another model here.
Yes.
Hi.
Now, Kathy is wearing our kimono sleeve jacket, also made out of silk, and it can be worn belted, it could be worn loose, and then at the end, Shefali is going to show you this really cool styling hack where you can convert this into a little bolero. So again, you're getting the versatility, and you can, fit this into your carry-on. Imagine that you've got one piece, 3 looks. You can wash it when you need to in a hotel sink. And you get this elegant look to go to, I don't know, a museum or something?
Or wherever, right?
Or
because,
wherever.
or even like so many churches you go to, you have to have your sleeves covered,
That's right.
So yes.
That's right. And because you can adjust the length by styling it different ways, it'll look good with pants or it'll look good with a dress.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Kathy.
What's your next tip?
So our next tip is really it's versatility. It's all about versatility. This is Pauline. She's wearing what we call our versatile vest, and Shefali's going to show you 3 ways that you can style it. Obviously, the first one is as a vest.
Okay.
But you can also wear it as a blouse, which is how Shefali is styling it right now. And you just tie up the bottom. You can wear a sweater over that, and it becomes a top. And then my favorite hack is when Shefali takes that off of Pauline, puts her head through one armhole, arm through the other one, and you have this very glamorous look. So versatile clothing is another travel tip. Make sure that you've got things that you can wear in lots of different ways.
Okay. And how many pieces would you suggest? Like if you're going away for a week, how many pieces would you want?
So we would say you can get away with 4 pieces of silk,
okay,
and it will get you 10 looks at least.
Right. And the great thing too is that, if it's packed all in this, if it wrinkles, it's just going to come out.
It does. It just falls right out.
It just falls right out.
And for going for day to night dressing, now Shefali and I are both actually wearing the same piece. It's the cardigan, with the idea being that in the morning you're doing all your touristy things.
Yeah.
In the evening you're going out for dinner. You don't have time to go back to your hotel. So you find pieces when you travel that can take you from day to night. So that was the other thing. And one more tip that nobody ever tells you. You don't go on vacation every year, probably.
No.
So you need clothes when you invest in your travel clothing that will still fit you when you go on your next vacation.
And that's an easy way. So we've got about 30 seconds left. Do we have another model waiting in the wings? Okay, our model. Okay, so we've got all kinds of different selections here that you've got in the store.
Yes.
You do such great things too online where you show women how to use these pieces, because you're not just buying it for vacation, you're also buying it for work, you're buying it for home, for going out shopping and everything.
Yes.
So it's just like, it's not wasted that way.
It is not wasted. It's upcycled fabric, so you're not wasting the original fabric, and it's versatile enough to fit into your life however you want it to fit into your life. And most importantly, it's always going to fit you. You're not going to have that problem of outgrowing your clothes between vacations or between seasons.
Okay, and you've got room in your luggage for souvenirs.
So much, room for souvenirs, room for your necessities, and all of your silks fit in a tiny, very lightweight bag.
There we go. Okay, we are ready to go. We'll get all the socials up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.
Thank you again for having us, Annette. We really appreciate it.